Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how to fix Snapchat friend request limit error fastly. So for that, just go to the Play Store and check if you have the latest version of Snapchat installed or not. So search for Snapchat and make sure that your version is up to date. So see for here any updates are seen or not. As you can see, the app is up to date. If it is not, then you will see an update icon instead of open, and you need to make sure that you have up to date by clicking on update option. Now head back. Now hold on Snapchat for some time and go to icon. It will lead you to setting. Now go to storage by scrolling down. Click on storage and clear your cache and clear your data. This should solve your problem. Now head back. And still, if it doesn't solve your problem, click on Snapchat. After clicking on Snapchat, go to your profile and go to settings. After you tap on settings, scroll down and click on help center. Here you can type your problem, just write adding friend issue. After you search your issue, Snapchat will provide you with solution, and as you can read the solution here, and this will help you solve the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find this video useful.